Hey, what is going on everyone? My name is Shivam and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to talk about sign in with Apple. Apple recently made it compulsory from iOS 13 to add sign in with Apple. I myself got stuck with it when recently my app got rejected due to this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the sign in and compatibilities. Click on compatibilities. Search Apple. There we see sign in with Apple. Just click on that. Double click on that. So it will get edited here. So now let's get to our storyboard. Here we have. So there are two ways to do it. First is using the button that Apple give, and second one is using the custom button. So currently I'm going to use a custom button. So let's add a button to it. Button. Wait it to. Okay. So I'm going to pin it to the center. And let's just give it 30 from both the sides, and let's just give it some height, 50 or say 60 would be good. Sign with Apple. So I have also added an image of Apple logo here. I'm going to add that to this button. Select the button, click on top. There you see. Now text color is changed to white. Let's just change it to black. Black would be good. Let's adjust some spacing to it. Title left 10, image right 10, so it will be 20. Alright, let's just pin it to our view controller. Alright, let's add an action. Apple rest. Alright, looks good so far. Let's go to our Swift file. Now let's first import the authentication that is already imported here. Authentication services. This library will provide all the function that we need to log in with Apple. So let's create an instance like provider. Let's do it as auth Apple ID provider. Okay. Now let's just create a request for it. Request provider. Provider dot create request. For request, now we are going to add the request scope. It's an array. So what we get is just two things for now: email and the full name. That's okay. Let's hope Apple add in future Apple add more things to it, like auth code, maybe date of birth. Let's create our authentication view controller. Auth controller equals to as auth controller. We are going to initialize with the request that we have created. Alright, now let's just give it the presentation context. Auth controller, what's the array? Okay, it takes the array, so let's just pass it in the array. Presentation context equals to self, because we have to present on this screen only. Dot perform request. Before that, we also need to set the delegate for it. So let's just do it. Let me just create an extension for that. That would be nice and easy. Controller as auth controller delegate as controller presentation context provider. Alright, it looks good. We just let the delegate equals to self. Now we are going to have the two to delegate functions from this, or it's giving already an option to do that. That is anchor one, and we still need to get complete authentication authorization, sorry, and another one is with error. All right, so now we have it. So let's just get the Apple credentials, the Apple ID, Apple ID, sorry, authentication dot credential as authorization Apple ID credentials. All right, let's just add a guard statement. Guard let Apple ID token equals to Apple dot identifier data as written. I will just print something from. Alright, now we have the Apple token, but it's in the data form. Let's just convert it into the string. It's like same that we use for notification. The notification token also we have to convert it to the string. So guard let ID token string equals to string. So you might be having okay, yeah, there we go. We just pass the Apple ID credential, and encoding we need in UTF-8 as written. Let's just print something over here to convert to string. Alright, so let's just print the name also. In Apple credential, here only you will get the full name, dot email. So these two things that we have requested over here, we will get it here. Yeah, so for the presentation angle, we are just going to return the self.view.window. That would work because we want to present it over here. So let's just try and play it on my iPhone. Let's see how it goes. Alright, there we have. Let me just make some space for it. Alright, let's see. It has built successfully. Let's just open the console also. Alright. Sign up. As you can see, we have the button over here. Let's just tap on it. Alright. So here we have the detail. Just let me just add my fingerprint. Alright. So far so good. Alright. As you can see, we have got the given name, the family name, and we have also got the email. Alright, now I know why I was getting this error. So if I just give it given name would be the first name, and let me just copy paste, and family name, let's just unwrap this safely. Alright, let's just so yeah, this is how you get the Apple sign-in implemented. So you might be wondering what is the use of this ID token string. So sometimes what happens is when you sign in with Apple, you need to send the token to your backend, the server, so that they can verify if this token is valid, this user exists or not. So you just send this token to your server API and validate if the token and the user is valid. So I hope you like this video. See you next time. Thank you so much.